Okay, so we have what's called the vertical line test, and that's used to determine if something is a function. And it's really nice. If they give you a picture and the vertical of a relation, and you want to know if it's a function, you have to be able to draw a vertical line any place on the graph and only hit it in one spot. So you're only hitting the graph in one spot. So if I had a picture like this, that's not going to be a function because you only have to have one place, but like right there, it hits, if I draw a vertical line, it hits 3 places. And you can say, yeah, but over here it only hits 1 place. That doesn't matter. If it overlaps like 1 time, then it's not a function. So this is a function. This is not a function. Okay. So they give us some pictures. Which of the graphs represent a function, y equals f of x? Okay, so on this first one, can I draw a vertical line any place and get it hitting the graph only once? And the answer is yes. Now, sometimes students are like, yeah, but like right here, it's kind of almost going vertically. You know what? The arrows say this pattern continues. It is going up steeply, but it is not straight vertical, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. But you could draw a vertical line any place and only hit it in one spot. All right, what about the next one, B? Can I draw a vertical line any place and it only hits once? Yes, that's a function. Now, so this is a function, putting the fun in function. Okay, what about the circle? No, right there it's hitting 2 places. There's lots of places you could draw a vertical line, but you only have to do it once. It overlaps on itself, so this is no fun. Well, not a function. I should just say not a function. I was just trying to be funny. Okay. Okay, the horizontal line test. Okay, so let's say you have, what happened? What happened? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna erase this, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, sorry about that. We'll go back. The horizontal line test. Hopefully you got all that other stuff written down in your notes. Back up the video. All right, so this tells you if it's 1-to-1. So you have a picture of a function. Let's see, we had one like this, I think, kind of. So now if I draw a horizontal line, does it only hit in one place? And yeah, it gets kind of flat there in the middle, but yeah, this is 1-to-1. Okay, so what if you had a function like that? Well, it's a function, passes the vertical line test, but it doesn't pass the horizontal line test. Because right there, you're hitting like 3 places. You only have to hit 2 places, but if you draw a horizontal line and you hit the graph more than once, any place on the graph, it is not 1-to-1. It is still a function. So when you want to know if something's a 1-to-1 function, you have to show that it's first of all a function, vertical line test. Then if you want to know if it's a 1-to-1 function, then you have to do the horizontal line test. Okay. So which of the graphs represent a 1-to-1 function? Well, this isn't even a function. Remember, not a function. It doesn't pass the vertical line test, so it can't be a 1-to-1 function. Okay, now what if I draw a horizontal line on this A? It's a function, but is it a 1-to-1 function? No, because you can draw a horizontal line and it hits, more than one place. Like if you draw it here, it's hitting twice, and that's, no, not 1-to-1. It is a function, but it's not a 1-to-1 function. Now what about B? If I draw a horizontal line any place, do I only hit the graph once? Yes. So this is a 1-to-1 function. Okay. I think that's it for this video.